In this episode, we are going to demonstrate how to convert a set of legacy Excel files, Accord, ChemDraw, Insight, or ISIS for Excel to the JChem for Excel format with a standalone tool. The first step is to install the conversion tool, which can be downloaded from the JChem for Office download page. Please read the requirements in the documentation before installation. Scroll down to the File Converters section and click on the JChem for Excel File Converter tool for end users executable. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, you can launch the converter application from the Start menu or by using the desktop shortcut. Click the Browse Files Manually button and navigate to the folder containing the legacy Excel files in formats mentioned before. Files with the old .xls extension can be converted as well as files in the latest versions and formats. After selecting them and pressing Open, the files will be listed in the JChem for Excel File Converter dialog. You can select them to be converted one by one, selecting individual files with the Control button, or select the whole list with the Shift button. If you'd like to convert only one file and you know its format, choose the radio button for the matching file format. Since there are different file types here, all of them are to be converted at once. Choose the Recognize button, which means that the tool automatically recognizes the file formats and does the conversion of multiple files in one step. After the output directory is selected, click the Convert button to start the conversion process. Let's open the folder, which has been specified before as the location of the output files. Here you can find all the converted files in the JChem for Excel format, with a JC4XL string added to the end of their original names. So let's check how the converted files look. For instance, open a converted ChemDraw for Excel file in the JChem for Excel format, and double-clicking on the structure opens the built-in ChemAxon editor, Marvin Sketch, where the structure can be edited easily. This video showed how to convert a set of legacy Excel files to the JChem for Excel format using a simple standalone tool. In the next episode of the tutorial series, you will see how to convert a single legacy Excel file with a right-click menu option in the currently opened Microsoft Excel sheet. Thank you for watching. For more tutorial videos and updates from ChemAxon, stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel.